At the time of this video, it's allegedly the largest casino hotel on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. I'm the NYC Traveler. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe. We are in Atlantic City, New Jersey, on the boardwalk at the Tropicana Atlantic City. As you come in, do take advantage of the parking garages. They do have other lots around the area, but this one was probably better. There's a possibility you might have to pay depending on your level, whether you're a regular goer or not. After that, figure out which tower you are in and where you might need to go to check in.
This is the lobby.
This was definitely one of the main lobbies, but in each of the towers of the Tropicana, there's an area to do a kiosk type of check-in. After that, especially if your room is not ready, then explore the resort and what a resort it can be. You can actually get lost in there, so make sure you follow the many signs that they have around there to help you to get where you are going. The decor of the Tropicana was definitely tropical, but not overwhelming as many hotels in Atlantic City and sometimes Vegas can be. It was Christmas time, as you can see, so we definitely had some of those decorations going. But there's plenty for you to do. You can shop, you can eat, you can stroll, you can play, you can party, whatever it is that you need to do. As many hotels are in Atlantic City, this is a one-stop shop. We took a trip down to the fitness room. The fitness room is probably leased out possibly by a different company, so check to make sure whether it's included in your hotel package or not. If you don't feel like gaming, or after you get tired of gaming, take your earnings, take your money, and spend it throughout the resort. Atlantic City might not be the most family-friendly place when it's not warm weather and the beaches are not open, but there are some activities for younger ones to do. However, make sure you stay with your children, as the signs say. One place that you can go with the kids are some of the pools. There are pools in a couple of the towers. Check the directory to make sure that you know where it is and to make sure it's open. This is also an event center. There's a convention area, ballrooms, a lot of places for you to have events if you want to hold something at the Tropicana. So this is one of the ballrooms, and then the doors would open to make it bigger. So here you go. There you go. And they have meeting rooms, which I presume look similar to the ballrooms. Look for these boards here that tell you what's happening at the hotel. Well, the resort, actually. At the Chelsea Tower, which is technically maybe across the street or down the boardwalk, you kind of walk across a indoor bridge. Look for some goodies there that you might want to see that are open a little bit later in the day. Make sure you check the hotel directory and ask at the concierge to make sure what is still available, what is open, when it's open, and when it is accessible. In addition to the hotel being practically a mall, look for services like spas and salons, restaurants, and a marketplace. There is even a convenience store. There are several cheaper options for you to get something to eat. But what about the room?
Thick carpet, hard to roll a heavy bag, and to drag the bag. Alright, so there's two queen beds. There's a connecting room. No microwave, just a refrigerator. So I guess I won't be having any tea in this hotel room. Yes, it's a standard hotel room. Nice shower. Sit down and have a sauna. That's nice. That's nice. Sink, iron, laundry.
We didn't have a view that looked over the boardwalk, so we had to be content with the view from the elevator bank. But our view from the room was similar as this view that you see here, where we saw a lot of Atlantic City. This is the Tropicana. They have palm trees in this area here. How cool is that? The question is, would I stay here again? Yes, I would. Although I have only stayed at 2 on the boardwalk, I would try another hotel so I could have more of a perspective. But if I had to stay at the Tropicana, I wouldn't complain. I'm the NYC Traveler, and I've been at Atlantic City on the boardwalk at the Tropicana Atlantic City. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe.